My photography is almost permanently on hold because of the day-to-day gang stalking and the toll it takes on my well-being. I do enjoy taking snaps, but just don't have the desire anymore because of the targeting. Today was a rare exception, and for some inexplicable reason, though the sunshine always helps, I decided to take some snaps of my civil partner, Mrs. D, and then deposit some loaned cash from my always generous brother into my bank account so I could order online something that will potentially be the dark, as this video is the light. To deposit the cash, I rode to central London, which is where I took some of my lovely pics. Whether my activity online is monitored in real time or not, the police and others will know or learn of what I intend to purchase. I may upload a video about that purchase, but for now here's some of those, or a small selection of my pics from today's ride to central London.